ongoing conflict between the Ukrainian army and Russia has become a protracted and devastating war, and delves into the disturbing concept of war serving as a cover-up for money laundering. Prolonged warfare. The Ukrainian-Russian conflict has endured for several years, and there are several key factors contributing to its protracted nature. First and foremost is the complex geopolitical landscape surrounding the region. Ukraine's historical ties to Russia, its significant Russian-speaking population, and its strategic location have turned it into a battleground for competing interests. Additionally, the conflict has evolved into a proxy war, with both sides receiving support from external powers, thus prolonging the fighting and making a diplomatic resolution more elusive. Economic effects. The Ukrainian-Russian conflict has had significant economic ramifications, not only for Ukraine and Russia but also for the global economy. In Ukraine, the war has devastated infrastructure, disrupted trade and investment, displaced populations, and strained public finances. The country's economy has been severely impacted, with decreased GDP growth, increased inflation, and high unemployment rates. On a global scale, the conflict has led to increased geopolitical tensions, affecting financial markets, energy prices, and trade relations. Europe, in particular, heavily relies on Russian natural gas exports, and any disruptions in the region can lead to energy price fluctuations and supply insecurities. Moreover, the conflict has created a wave of refugees seeking safety in neighboring countries, placing an additional burden on their economies and resources. Money laundering in the veil of war. Regrettably, warfare often provides fertile ground for illicit activities, including money laundering. The chaos and lack of oversight associated with armed conflict create opportunities for individuals and groups to exploit financial systems, obscuring the origins and destinations of illicit funds. War serves as a convenient cover for money laundering due to the vast financial flows associated with military procurement, aid programs, and donations. These transactions can be manipulated to move money across borders and blend illicit funds with legitimate ones. The complexity of international supply chains, coupled with the urgent demands of war, makes it difficult to scrutinize each financial transaction thoroughly. Furthermore, the diversion of state funds intended for military purposes into private accounts can occur under the guise of emergency expenditures and defense contracts. The lack of transparency and accountability during times of war creates an environment conducive to financial exploitation and money laundering schemes.